What's up, everybody? You're watching ThreadBanger, YouTube's longest living DIY channel. Can you fucking believe it? I'm on life number 2 over here, and I'm still doing the same exact shit that I was doing in life number 1. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the fruitcake, it's like a dense holiday dessert that's filled with just all sorts of like jellies and nuts and like zucchini, dates, coconut, prunes, raisins, terrible golden raisins, terrible fucking shit that you just don't like eating, and then just stuff it into a fucking cake and you have yourself a fucking fruitcake. And then once the holidays are through, you're stuck with a bunch of fucking fruitcake. Old people, they eat that fucking shit up. They love eating it. They love sending it. They love fucking collecting it. And when you get one, honestly, it is like a fuck you, because you don't eat it. And I'll tell you why. For the very simple reason that it tastes like shit. And that, my friends, is why today I'm really excited about making a go fuck yourself fruitcake. Step 1, grab yourself this or many other fruitcakes that are served just like it. If you thought that, no. If you thought that I was gonna attempt to teach you how to like make a good fucking fruitcake, absolutely not. Again, there's absolutely no way of making a good fruitcake because there is nothing good in fruitcake. Are we understood? Good. No good, because there's no good fruitcake. Got it. Check. We are taking fruitcake and we are making it good and funny. By taking the fruitcake, we are repurposing the fruitcake. Are you understanding what we're doing here? What are we doing here? What am I doing here? So step 1, get yourself the goddamn fruitcake already. It's already there. Your local store, you can pick one up. You can also go on Amazon. While you're there, you can also pick up a middle finger cookie cutter, which is gonna be kind of like a cake cookie cutter. Step 2, is it now? Step 3, unbox your 2-pound brick of fruitcake. You can build a fucking house with enough of these goddamn things. I've seen acts of vandalism committed with Claxtons. That's not true. And now what you want to do is cut that shit in half with a sharp-ass knife, trying not to slice your fucking fingers off. Yeah. Boom. Look at that. Just give it a little fucking slap. Give it a little fruit slap. Now cut out 4 separate pieces of cake, which technically you could call cookies because I'm cutting them out with a cookie cutter, but for the sake of me not giving a flying fuck about your opinion of the matter, man, I'm gonna be calling them cake slices. I'm not even asking your opinion about it. I don't even care. Look at this. Look at that. That's what you get. That's a fruitcake in the form of a middle finger. Now, once they're fucking all cut out, you stack them up and they're fucking cake again. Boom. See how that works? Didn't see that one coming, did you? Package it up, wrap a little food wrap around it, drop it in a box. Oh yeah. Nice and snug in there. Throw a nice little bow around it. What? We just fucking did this thing. We just fucking did this thing. Holy shit. And you know what? You send these back. You send these back to your fucking grandmother. She doesn't fucking know. You wrap these back up. You send those to her. Dear grandma, you suck. Your house smells. And you scare me when you fucking talk. Go fuck yourself. Definitely gotta send Go F Yourself Fruitcake to Ben and Christine. Enjoy this fruitcake with maybe some delicious tea made with love. Robin Corinne. You know what? I'm pretty sure they don't even have fruitcake in Canada, so they're not even gonna know how terrible this is. Suckers! I'm sending this one to Mr. Beast. Please plant this fruitcake as part of your 20 million tree initiative. It has nuts in it, so something should happen. Something should grow out of it. This last one I'm throwing to Jeffree Star. Dear Jeffree Star, I've got some crazy good makeup ideas. Middle finger mascara, a makeup line called GFY or Die. Huh? Enjoy the fruitcake. Call me. Oh shit. Okay, alright. That's enough. Too much fun. We've had too much fun. I've had a good time. I like having fun with you guys. And unfortunately, that's it. That's all the fun we're gonna have this year, 2019. You know, that's all the videos you're gonna get. Until next year, we're out. We're not making any more videos until 2020. How fucking crazy it is to say that. You know what I mean? That is gonna be in like the legit future. Fucking crazy. Am I right? 2020. Holy shit. Anyways, not to get too deep, but to update you a little bit, as you know, this year has been a little bit fucking crazy of a year in ThreadBanger land. I'm not gonna get into the whole fucking backstory again, but as you can see, my voice is back. I'm recovering. Things have definitely been headed in an upward trajectory. Recovery is going well. Things are moving along awesome. And we wanted to let you know that we appreciate your support, whether it be watching, commenting, buying merch, whatever it is, we really appreciate it, and we see it, and we couldn't have gotten through it without you. As for what the ThreadBanger channel holds for the year 2020, I don't fucking have a clue. I don't know, you don't know, and that kind of gets me a little excited, if you know what I mean. I'm not in that way, but maybe? I don't know. Let me tell you what. Let me get back to you on that. And next year, we'll meet back up. We'll see where we're at. What am I talking about? I don't know. 2020, me, you, us, here. We'll figure it out. ThreadBanger. Let's do this, huh? Huh? You in? See you there.